Tim and I's first trip in the new truck. She doesn't have a name yet, but we're driving to do our first job down in Alvin, Texas. See the little horse y'all saw on the 4th of July video named AJ. So we'll go check him out and see how he's doing. Now we decided to drive the truck through downtown Houston, so I'm not going to video much while I'm navigating traffic in this big truck. But y'all stay tuned to see how AJ's doing. And we heard they have baby goats, so we'll get to make a video with some baby goats today. And maybe Tim will let me put him on video. We'll see. And look who's back in the dash. It's the Dexter mascot and the cross found on the side of the road. Got his back. His back was out in 2 places.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Like up, but then he showed something else to kind of like where he can kind of re-pop it.
Yes. Okay.
I can't remember the video exactly.
For the front?
I was like,
Yeah, I'll show
for
you.
the front.
I'll show you 3.
Okay.
I'll show you 3. Okay, so I got this adjusted here, and I got this adjusted here. So 2 places right there. All right. He's tacked that swirly, so he's licky and moving. Just get started with that. He kind of pop it.
Yeah. He's
We're gonna pull this tail vest in. Oh, it went good. Good. How's that? It looked good. That was your hip, sir.
She started doing barrel lessons on him.
Barrel lessons. That's why it's hip. Oh, and all right, do this.
Heard it pop.
Okay, I got the left L5. He had his right S5. He had his right hit up. Some barrel pattern. This is a barrel pattern thing. Has he been blowing past the barrels?
No, she's just been trying that.
Try.
Yeah. I mean, they're trying to start to canter,
On this side,
but
Tim?
they'll
Like, oh, whoa. Nope. AJ. AJ.
Sorry.
Stop. AJ. Oh, sorry. AJ. Wow. That was a lot of popping. Everything. Okay. Whoa. Let me see. AJ. Hey. Goes. He likes this. But not a body. Can't rub on humans. Oh, this is nice. Oh, this is nice. All right, now we're on to the neck. On to the neck, on to the neck. Perfect. Extension. Perfect. Right turn, pull. Left turn. Good. Right lateral flexion. To you, Dustin, sorry. Left lateral flexion to me. Always run into the table. Run into the table. Yeah. All right. I'll put his head on my shoulder, Dustin. Just loose rein, loose lead. There you go.
Wait, is this thing?
Done. Feel it.
Is that a cop?
His
See, toy. Out those. Out.
And then one more. And just the rain.
Is he going to hit 7? 7 is the magic number. 7 is God's number. Completion, perfection, and fulfillment.
Awesome.
Let's better do it. 6. There's one more in there. Almost every horse I've ever seen does 7.
Family spot.
All right, well, the truck was used for the first horse, and it goes to AJ. The truck's first maiden voyage to adjust animals. Sure happy it was, y'all. Hi guys. Look at the good babies. Hey, BB. Hi, BB. Hi, baby goats. Oh, boop. Boop. Hi. Hi, baby. Baby. Hi, baby. Oh, I love goats. My favorite. Oh, hi, goat. Y'all are very well handled by your mama. Yeah. Bye. And just not mama, but bye, Abby. Oh, you're eating my jeans? Oh, we're eating my jeans. Bye, it's a good baby. Baby goats. Let me check you. Let me check you. Hold on. Check your spine. Either. Oh. Them. Eat my jeans. Oh Lord. Eat my jeans. Let me check all y'all. It's a chiropractic field day in here, huh? Chiropractor gets to check all the things. Hold on. Gotta do the bicycle. Okay. Gotta do the bicycle. Good. Good. That's a good bicycle. That's a good bicycle. Hi, you. Hi, you. Hi, you. Hi. Check everybody's butts. Make sure y'all's pelvis is. Oh, your pelvis is out of place. Oh.
Is that the? That's the one that got stepped on by AJ.
No, this
Okay.
is Lucy's.
That's Lucy's goat.
Hold on. Hold on.
How long?
You gotta pelvis out of place. You gotta pelvis out of place. Stop, Brendan. Hold on. Oh. Ow, don't bite my shirt. Be nice, Minnie. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold it. Okay, it's moving now. The right pelvis was out. There we go. Okay. That right pelvis was not moving.
Eddie, grab your goat that you're gonna show.
Which one you gonna show? Which color meat? Hold, Ollie. Get the feet. Got it. Hawk was out of place. Go, stretch. Low. Got it. Pastern was out. Hawk was out on the left. You. Is this is not, what this is, don't you ram me.
Goat yoga.
Goat yoga. Okay, shoulder. Okay, let's turn this way, Addie. Step over there. There we go. Shoulder. Elbow. Faster. Moves up, shoulder, head, elbow, knee, posture, neck, turn left, good, turn right, good, cool. And neck was out in 3 places on the right, all good. Hey, you bit my jeans. Ow! I need insurance. You're biting my jeans. Come here. Come here, you. Oh, we finished AJ and the goats, and we stopped at a place in Pasadena called Hippo Burgers. You guys, oh goodness. I got no bun, so it's not that bad. Take a look. So, burger, egg, mushrooms, avocado, Swiss cheese, sweet potato fries, and he got, oh man, he's a big guy. Oh, let's see how this is. Man, that Hippo burger was amazing. Like I told Tim, I had to shove it in and I didn't even have a bun. It was just hamburger patty with mushrooms and eggs. Oh, so full. But now, time to go home and feed Dexter, because we haven't fed him today because we left and we didn't want to feed him, and then he didn't have a way to go to the bathroom. So now we head home. All right, y'all stay tuned to the next episode of Animal Ranch Care. Subscribe below. 26% of you watch but don't subscribe. I need subscribers. Help me out. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.